Hi, my name is Milan. This is my channel. I will be starting afresh and again streaming and getting some content coming. Just testing the cheese of Clash of Clans first screen. Transitioning over, so today is going to be on Clash On, starting afresh, showing how I'll be streaming actually today, more than actually and recording, more than actually giving content on playing. So if you're interested in creating as well, or the process in creating, look at this. It will be growing over years and months, so please help me as well here. So first thing is probably to get your YouTube up and running. So here's my channel. I go to Chasing Clash of Clans. If I can view my channel. I'm admin of chess.com and lead chess groups.
Welcome to the channel. Chess content. Enjoy, hit the like, hit the subscribe button.
Okay, so there's some videos. So starting fresh, yes, I'll be playing around a bit more. Now maybe on the Clash of Clans side. Okay, so that's getting that up and running. So there's things like customized channel. Yes, you need to grow it. Yes, you need to, if you want to be a creator, have more subscribers. So currently I've got 389, aiming for 500. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons for this to be up and running properly. And it's always interesting to see how other people grow as well. So this might be nice for you to see also how I'm growing. And please also tell me if I need to support your channel. I don't mind. The next thing is to then, of course, get software. Currently, I'm using OBS Software. So yes, you have to Google it, get it up and running. Here's the example of the software. So there's some transition screens, just to get an idea of what's going on. But that's something you have to figure out. But the OBS software seems to be very well recommended, and it's also free. Okay, so yes, firstly, get your YouTube, your Twitch, and these type of channels up and running. Get your software up and running for streaming or recording, that it's linked up to your software. And the next thing I did was on SuperCell Creators, which is quite awesome. I found that recently, where I've created a login for myself. I've got access some great functions that can help you through an academy. Unfortunately, yes, you have a minimum requirement. You have to, I think, have 250 people subscribed on your YouTube, and there's different requirements for the other channels. You can see there's some great content in here. The next thing I want to do is to get Clash of Clans on my desktop version. So that was trying to install it on Windows. The other ways might be to link it also onto your devices. I've done that before, but I'm very interested in installing on Windows, especially if I'm going to start playing. So I want to do that as well. So it's already run. I'm going to try and open it. But that's something I'll do in the background. Hopefully get it up and running before the next session and show you that. Okay, what else? I've got a semi-decent microphone just to get the quality a bit better, so that is very important to get going. For many people, for many creators, they'll say that's probably the most important thing, to get the quality of that up. Things like lighting, I will still be working on that. Displays, quality, but that's a work in progress, so please So please hit the like and subscribe buttons. That you can motivate me to increase my content, and also please comment as much as possible. Probably the last thing to show is that if I transition over, you'll see that's the thumbnail. So that's quite important to get ready as well in your system. So thumbnail, and I'm trying to work also on initial screen to say welcome. You see this is currently my initial one, just to also show that I'm using chess as well a little bit. But I'll still decide where I'm flowing with this. So please help me again in the comment sections. Subscribe and give you an idea of what direction I can take in. Currently it's a hobby, it's for fun, nothing really more. In a perfect world, of course, everyone wants to be a full-time streamer. But for me, it's currently just a hobby in between. Keeping me busy for half an hour every day. I hope you enjoyed this. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons for more content to come your way.